Who can see your birth month on Twitter? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set who can see your birth month on Twitter. And if at the end of this video, guys, you find it so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First thing is to open up your Twitter. When you open up your Twitter, guys, at the left corner here, click on your profile picture, click on your profile. Then at the right part here, click on edit profile. When you click on edit profile, guys, scroll up, just go ahead and click on month and day. Then it will bring you to this page. Now if who can see this, your birth month, just click on it. When you click on it, you see it will bring up all these options. Then you have to set either of all these options. If you are using only, you can just click only you. Now I've set mine as only me to see my birth month. Then after setting that, just go ahead and click on continue at the right corner here to save your changes. Then go ahead and click on save. Now a message is also pop up, confirm date of birth. Just go ahead and click on confirm. All your edited have been saved. So guys, that is how to set who can see your birth month on Twitter. You find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.